Hello. What's up guys? Windows is updating nowadays and new features are also coming. As a result of that, many bugs and glitches are also coming out. So today I'm gonna showing you how to resolve this common issue of getting 100% disk usage and memory usage in Windows 10. So let's get started. I will show you 4 different methods of doing it. Step 1, by disabling Windows search. Type CMD on the search bar. After that, run it in administrator mode. Then type net.exe stop Windows search. And press enter. After doing this, watch if any changes you have got in Task Manager. It's only in case of serious emergency, but generally I would recommend you the other methods. Step 2, by disabling the SuperFetch service, also known as sysmain. It works for most of the systems. Type and open CMD in admin mode just like previous step. And type net.exe stop SuperFetch and press enter. Wait for 2 minutes for the effect and then check your Task Manager. Now this command only works for one time. That means when you restart the PC it will go to its regular position. Now to do this setting for permanent, follow this method. Press and hold Win plus R key. You will notice that run prompt has opened. Now type services.msc and press enter. Be careful and find sysmain and right click and open its properties. First you need to stop the service by pressing stop button, and after that you will notice startup time. From there check the disable option and apply it, and from there check the disable option and apply it, and then restart your PC. You will see the changes. Step 3, by resetting virtual memory in Win 10. First right-click on this PC. And then click on System Properties. After opening, click on System Settings. Now go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings listed under Performance tab. And click on Change button. You will get the Performance option tab. And then click on Advance. And click the Change button. After that, check for the automatically manage paging file option is ticked or not, and make it tick, and then apply all the settings. You will get the results after restarting. Step 4, it's a bonus tip. If you want to sacrifice a little visual effects for better performance, it's for you. Same like step 3. Go to this PC properties and then go to Advanced System Settings. From there, under Advanced, go to Performance Settings. You will get a tab mentioning visual effects. From there just click on Adjust for best performance. And click Apply and OK, and then restart your PC. You will get the best results. Personal choice.